forbidden from talking. Talk
Hello.
no.
See. Hi guys.
I know, it's really good.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna do a you have to speak very loudly because the camera is very far.
Fine.
Yeah. So, okay, so basically, we are going to talk about this one person, okay? I will say something about her, then you say how you know her, then you say how you know her, okay?
Fine.
We're not going to say the name. That's the trick. We're not going to say the name.
Yes.
Guess. Yeah. So the thing is, I met her when I was literally like in kindergarten. We used to go to G-type wala classes. There was this one teacher. She died now. Like she fell off the building. Sorry. she just fell off the building.
Bro, you're laugh.
I'm not laughing.
You are.
Even I'm not laughing.
Wait, that
Okay.
person recipe.
Recipes, yeah. So that teacher, I love you. So I met her there, okay. But she was like very quiet and little but I knew her, okay. And then when we went to 2nd grade, she was in my school. I didn't know that she was in my school. I didn't know that she was in my class.
Wow.
Yeah, when we went for tuitions together.
Best friends.
Best friends. And we went to tuitions, we went to Miss Razia, she knows. Yeah, she's the best. So we went there and then I met her for the first, like I was like, I met her like, oh yeah, we're in the same class. What the fuck? And for like a week, we didn't know that we were in the same class. What?
They were fucking.
I didn't say, I said we didn't know that we were in the same class. Okay. So yeah, that happened.
Are we posting this?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then she was so like she was very dumb in the very beginning. Then she started lying. She once peed in class. Don't you know about it?
I didn't know.
Yeah, she was a kid, so it's okay. It happens, okay?
Wow.
So I'm not gonna say anything about her. I was very like besties with her that time. But little did I know that we were fake besties. Then after like we were together till 5th grade and stuff, she then got smart, very smart. Then 6th grade we weren't together, but then from I think 7th we started going to school together, like walking there. She was the most like the quietest person. But I don't know what happened to her in 9th grade. She started wanting that attention. You know what I'm saying? And then when Vedika and I we became friends.
We just so you know, we know each other since birth.
Yeah, since birth.
I'm not even exaggerating.
Yeah. Now we'll talk about Arya, okay? So she started like one.
Oh.
Beep.
Beep.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about
That
girl.
person.
Yeah, that person now. So tell how you know her and what do you think of her? For
Nothing.
me, she's a pick me. Okay, you tell your story.
I guess I met her in my classes.
Razia Miss.
Yeah.
Razia
there.
Miss ki Ahura.
No, Razia Miss.
Okay.
In I guess 2nd grade.
Yeah, we're all in the same grade. So.
Yeah, and in 2nd grade, and
What time I have?
she was not my friend actually. We never used to talk. And then we met directly in 9th standard at Ahura Academy. Shout out to Ahura Academy. Best classes ever.
Yeah, you did.
And I used to hate her. I used to hate her because she was very irritating and
Her
the way
voice,
she
her
speaks.
squeaky voice.
I know. Exactly. And she thinks that every guy has fallen for her.
Yeah.
So have you looked at yourself in the mirror?
Yeah, I know when she said that.
Yeah, say.
So she went to Garba night. So you know how she told me, there's this guy. He was staring at me continuously. You know, I was creeping out. Why would he stare at me? Because he thinks you're ugly.
Yeah.
Like staring at me continuously. Like bro, wow.
Yeah, I think she was just making it all up.
Yeah.
Or the guy was really ugly and he was very desperate to get somebody with a vagina.
Fair enough.
Yeah. You remember the time when she was telling us about the hotspot thing?
Oh God.
Story time. Okay, Vedika, start, okay?
So she went to Shivaji Park and I think her recharge nahi tha uska. So she went to a guy and instead of asking for his phone to call, she was like, she asked him for hotspot. Like, what the fuck?
Ask for? Oh, can I get your hotspot?
And he offered her to take his phone, like just call your mother from my phone. She's like, no, it's okay. I just take a hotspot. I'm like, bro, what the fuck?
Hotspot? And who says that you have no reach on your phone? People think you're poor, man. Poor.
Gareeb,
Gareeb. Oh god.
Seriously, who the fuck asked for a
Now I
hotspot?
feel bad for her.
Why?
Why?
I just feel bad for her. Bitching
Because
about her.
because she doesn't know who she is.
Now I'll tell you, okay, the story behind it. She left, like she stopped talking to us, she started ghosting us, even before we, like, you know, and we used to be busy with our work, she started ghosting us, okay? She stopped hanging out with us, she started hanging out with Harsha and people, because, like, you know, she felt like, oh my god, they're so cool, they're so nice, oh, I can so much. She became besties with Diva and Prats.
Yeah.
And a spoiler alert, Prats and Diva are like my close ones now. So, suck on you, bitch. And she used to lie so much. She has bitched about both of us to everybody.
Now I hate her.
She hates it. Okay.
Ouch! Yeah, so that. So, and okay, tell her about the 26 marks wala story. Geometry ka.
Which?
But I guess I don't know if she's talking about that. So geometry का paper था and she studied for biology.
That's what she said.
हाँ, that's what
she said, yeah.
And she मैंने biology का मैंने पढ़ाई किया. She went to a class teacher, told that everything about how I forgot how I studied for biology.
Ew.
Bro.
Exactly.
And then she got 28 out of 40. It's still okay.
Yeah.
It's still okay. We cannot judge.
Yeah. And she was like, oh my god, guys, without studying, I got 28. Imagine.
No, study first.
Yeah, continue, please.
No, you
say it.
continue.
She's like, I got 28. Imagine if I study, I'm gonna get so much. Do you understand? Your girl is so smart. Yeah, she's just okay. Your girl is so smart. You are not my girl, bitch. You are like the person we always bitch about. And we don't like you at all. Just saying, okay?
So now whatever happened, another thing. So she left Ahura after 2-3 months, and then
Yeah.
we had a semester.
2-3 months.
I got 39 on 40 in algebra, and she
Wow!
got, okay, different now.
Yeah.
So she got 34, and she said, Vedika, without studying, I was sick, and still I got 34. Imagine how much marks I'll get if I study. Like, let's study now.
Exactly. I know. And guess what? Who got more than her in boards?
Not
And
me.
also she did elementary, yeah.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. I was elementary, intermediate, so you get what?
90?
91 actually.
90.4. It's
90.8.
okay. And also handling all the school
School
stuff.
stuff. No elementary, no sports. Ball bitch. Ball. अब कितना बोल रही थी मैं तो स्कॉलरशिप में टॉप आई थी बेंच.
And you know, she said ना मैं classes नहीं जाती. 10th के लिए उसके
हाँ,
मम्मी
classes
पापा ने
में जाती
जितने
थी वो.
गंदे वाले पैसे भरे होंगे
Exactly.
classes के लिए.
Our fees was nothing compared to what
actually.
we are.
It's still we got more marks.
It's
मैंने तो बिना पढ़ के किया है भाई. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ.
Now what else?
हो गया?
हो गया?
जाना
That's
है?
it.
Adios amigos. Adios.
Bye bye girly pop.
Bye.